Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube shorts not uploading. So first, we're going to be talking about essential requirements for shorts. The first is going to be duration. So your short must be 60 seconds or less to be classified as a short, though you can edit videos up to 3 minutes. Also, the format must be a vertical video, so 9:16 aspect ratio, and the encoding should be H.264 AVC encoding. Now, there are a couple of reasons why your YouTube shorts could not be uploading, and it could be because of an old version of YouTube. In order to update to a newer one, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for YouTube right over here. Simply click on the YouTube application and there's going to be a blue update button if your application is not up to date. The other thing could be your Wi-Fi, so simply go ahead and try to switch between your cellular data and your Wi-Fi to ensure that you have a valid or stable internet connection. If you want to reset your network settings, simply go to Settings, head to General, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset and reset network settings. This should fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.